Physical AI is AI that moves. Robots, cars, drones, machines that see the world and then do something about it. Everyone's talking about AI that chats. But physical AI? That's the next frontier. And here's the bit that doesn't make the highlight reels. The hard part usually isn't the model, it's the data. So I went looking for who actually builds that data infrastructure, the unglamorous layer underneath physical AI. And one name kept coming up, Encord. I'm not here to hype them. I just wanted to understand what they do and why a company like this exists at all. Quick honesty up front, I'm not a robotics engineer. I'm not going to pretend I am, but I am obsessed with what ordinary people can genuinely create with AI. Most of the time, AI lives on a screen. Tools, apps, side projects. Physical AI feels like the next chapter. The answer leaves the laptop and walks into the real world. So I wanted to figure out what has to happen before a robot can reliably see a shelf or a car can understand a junction. Spoiler, a lot of it is data work. The idea is actually pretty simple. A chatbot deals with language. You type, it replies. But physical AI, it deals with the messy world. Physical AI uses cameras, mics, and LiDAR. That's the spinning laser sensor that maps distances in 3D. It has to turn that sensor soup into an action. Pick up the box, stop for the pedestrian, inspect the roof. You've probably seen the demos of humanoids looking polished in marketing videos, but those demos only work if the training data matches the real world closely enough. Closely enough that rare, weird situations don't break everything. Let's talk about the unsexy bit. If you're training on photos, you might draw a box around a cat and call it a day. But physical AI, it's different. You're labeling a scene over time. Video synced with LiDAR, objects moving, sensors that have to line up, labels that need to stay consistent frame after frame. You're hunting for edge cases, weird lighting, odd angles, the one situation that almost never happens until it does, and your robot fails. So the pipeline looks like this: collect the right data, find the gaps, label it carefully, check the quality, train or fine tune. Watch where the model fails in the real world. Feed those failures back in, repeat. That's a lot of human judgment and process, which brings us back to Encord. They're a London-based team that recently raised $60 million. Investors are betting hard on this category. They say hundreds of AI teams use them, including names like Toyota, Skydio, and UiPath. What do they sell? First, annotation. Labeling video, LiDAR, and sensors with AI assistance and quality checks so the labels don't rot. Second, curation. Finding the rare examples. Searching datasets by meaning, not just by file name. Collecting new data when you're missing something. Third, alignment. Watching models in production and figuring out where they fail. For physical AI, it's the same idea with a higher price of being wrong. Right, time for the honest bit. I haven't run a production robotics dataset through Encord myself. This isn't a product review, it's an exploration. Also, this is enterprise software. You probably can't just try it tonight like ChatGPT. Access and pricing are often opaque, that's a limitation. And data infrastructure is necessary, but it's not sufficient. You still need good hardware, safety, and 1,000 other details. Encord isn't the only player. You've got label box, scale, snorkel, different strengths. Encord's bet is on that physical AI sensor mess. When they publish impressive accuracy numbers, treat those as their claims until you've seen the evidence. Same rule I use for every AI tool. Here's what I learned. Physical AI isn't magic robots. It's models trained on carefully curated data. That work is hard and expensive. Even if you never touch an enterprise platform, the model is useful. Collect, curate, label, evaluate, repeat, start noticing the data. So would you rather build the robot or the data layer? Tell me in the comments. And if you want more of this, stick around. Let's build something with AI.